We had a few fantastic situations. I think pretty early in the game, Robbo in behind, Mo Salah pretty much alone. Similar situation to Sadio twice. I think one time was alone with a header. So we had more moments than 3 goals, but it was difficult to play because they defended well, and so happy about the result, 100%, and most parts of the performance as well. It would be funny, but if somebody calls the Ings here, would love to respond. No chance. We will see what happens. No chance that Ings is on the market tomorrow. Only if I'm unconscious. So, and yeah, maybe something happens. Of course, it's clear who is a little bit. I would say that's possible, but don't know in the moment.
I see effort. I see a commitment, I see attitude, togetherness, everything what you at first have to see. That the confidence isn't on the highest point if you have a lot of defeats. There is no question about. The good thing for us is that we all together, we don't like this situation, and we don't enjoy where we are, and that we have this period where we don't collect points. But we are not surprised.